Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha, on Monday, Nobomi makes accusations about ethical practices and a disturbing revelation sends shocks waves through the Mxenge towers. Will Sonabile be Nonta's knight in shining armor or just another Jack? On Tuesday, a new love seemed to blossom unexpectedly for Nontle. Zimkita manages to put out fire but leaves Ntando questioning his loyalty to her in the process. On Wednesday, Vuyokazi's hard loss comes with an unexpected win. Nontle falls harder and harder for her new man while her family's reservations about him grow. On Thursday, Tulani takes a bold move towards protecting his father's legacy. Vuyokazi's suspension stands in her way of finally nailing her case. Nontle goes extra mile for the love of her life. On Friday, Hlumelo is on cloud nine after he manages to throw the police off his scent thanks to Stokkie's help. Stokkie's guilty conscience starts scowling at him. Nontle is smitten when wants her to meet the other woman in his life.